With COVID-19 affecting global economy, businesses in the country, especially in the tourism sector, are the first to be affected before lockdown. According to INA Director Paul Baka, this is because PNG is in the travel route. However, quick response by the government has prevented major spread of the virus.
Was pretty quick to respond, and that was probably one of the most positive things. It did close off the borders early on in the piece, and that probably stopped a major spreading of the virus. PNG is a little bit off the main travel route globally.
Baka says countries not in the main travel route are not taking preventive measures seriously. As a result, they are badly affected. And with the country announcing its new cases recently, people must be reminded that it is not something to ignore.
There in the community, and it's there in the business community, and it's reminding us all that the virus is not something that avoids Melanesia. We don't have some sort of innate immunity, and clearly we need to, there may be factors that have reduced the transmission, as I say, early closing of the border.
With the new normal being announced after the SOE, the focus now is to get the country's economy and businesses back on track. However, it depends on the government's capacity to support businesses in the country. Baka says one way to support businesses is e-commerce, but there will be issues relating to connectivity and internet costs.
E-business, e-commerce is still very small in PNG, and it really needs to be ramped up as one mechanism that can enable a lot of transactions to be occurring for consumers to access services and goods.
Baka adding that the new normal may result in violence as people adapt to it. He says there is a need for more people to provide the much needed services.
You need to have a large number of people providing that sort of service, emergency service or support service, online or using internet or whatever means. So you've got to be able to adapt, and that's challenging.
He further raised concerns that the government need to ensure there are not much distractions to people's lives should there be another SOE. And people must continue to practice social distancing and basic health practices in this new normal. Rayon Lakingu National, EMTV News.